graph a line that's originally written in standard form, okay? So, and we'll say from standard form. Let's say that I've got the equation, I'm just gonna make this up. Let's say we've got 2x plus y equals 4, okay? So this is in standard form because my x and my y are on the same side. I need to change this into y-intercept form or slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, okay? Because from here I can graph it. It gives me the directions. So 2x plus y equals 4. I'm going to move my x to the other side of the equal sign. When I do that, it flips the sign, so it becomes negative 2x plus 4, and that's it. Suddenly it looks just like y equals mx plus b. And I know that my slope is going to be a negative 2. There's an invisible 1 underneath, so it's really negative 2 over 1. And I know that my b is a positive 4. So if I go to graph this equation now, which is exactly the same as this one in standard form, I'll start at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put a point right there, okay? You always put a point where your b is, because that's where you start plotting or you start graphing. And then I'm going to use my slope, which is a negative 2, and I know there's an invisible 1, so I'm going to go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, and then I can graph it once it's in y-intercept form. And if I wanted to go one step further, I could double check all my points. I could look at where I am at, let's try negative 1, 0, and 1. At negative 1, I should be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe a 6. I can't see. I think it's a 6, yeah. So should be at negative 1 and up 6, negative 6, or positive 6, excuse me. So all I need to do is plug in my negative 1 into my x. So negative 2 times, I'm going to plug it in, see how it's an x, negative 1 plus 4. This will simplify to 2 plus 4, which equals 6, and at negative 1 should be up 6. That works. At 0, same thing. I'm going to plug in a 0 into my equation. Negative 2, 0 plus 4. This will cancel. At 0, I should be at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sure am, and that's also my b, my y-intercept. At 1, it looks like I should be at 2. So I'm going to plug in a 1. Negative 2 times a positive 1 plus 4. Again, I'm just plugging in 1 for my x in my formula, so I'll get negative 2 plus 4, which equals 2. And sure enough, at 1 and 2, I'm in the right spot. So if you're ever confused about your graph, you can make a table to double check your points. But just to recap, if you're graphing from standard form and your original equation looks like this, you have to change it into y equals mx plus b to easily graph it.